So, hi friends. Uh, this is the new question that we are going to debug. Anagram. We need to print anagram using Python. These questions will ask for experience as well as freshers also, but mostly ask from the experience. Okay. So print the anagram program. So how will print? Suppose we have a one string that is Python. Second string I will take something else. Okay, and then we will convert the string into lower or upper. Any can we can do anything, we can do either upper or either lower. If you put lower and upper, the easy way to if you match the character for the both the string, then they'll get the easy. Other if it will be upper and lower, then it will get to difficulty to match the string. So that's why we are converting into lower. We can convert into upper as well. And once it is converted into lower, then we'll sort the list, ascending or descending, any order. We sort the list. Once it is sort, then we'll put the condition. I will check both string is equal or not. If it is equal, then it will be the anagram. The anagram concept is whatever string we have, okay, that opposite string should be same. Means all the string present in second string. Whatever string we have, same string present, same character present in the another string as well. Order can be changed, but character should be same. So that is the anagram. So here only small debugging point will be there. It will debug in few seconds. So we'll check even F5 have HNOPTY and S6 also have HNOPTY. So both are same. So that's why it's anagram. But when what we will do, we'll change the string and we'll see. Suppose I will change something here. Hydra, and I will run it and we'll check. So this is first string, this is second string. Okay, both string we have, but both are not equal, false. So it is not anagram. This is a small question, but we have to remember the three step. The three step is first we take the string and all the string we have to convert into uppercase or lowercase, and then we have to sort the string. Okay, sort the string, and then we'll put the condition if it is equal to or not. So these three steps we have to remember for this one. Suppose I will put, I don't know, it is same count of the character. Okay, I'm putting one extra character, then it will see what happened. Suppose, okay, I will put some same character PYTHO and Python and something I am putting K, and I will check now what happening. Then we'll get to know so it is working or not. No, it is no. Why it is no? We'll see again. See, the value is H. H is present. Here is came K. Second value at indeed false. Okay, so this is the anagram process. This is easy, but most of the interviewer they will ask make anagram program. Thank you. Thank you for watching.